This is Brandon Parris, and this is just a bunch of short videos of my training that I've been doing from Thor's strength program. I feel like I am getting much stronger, and technique is slowly improving as I work out more and more, so don't judge too harshly. I do things a little bit differently than the program says to do it, but it's just to put a little bit more strain on myself because I don't have exact maxes. I had the exact squat max, but that max was almost too heavy sometimes for my volume training. Sometimes it's too easy. Bench, that's pretty much a guess, and my deadlift was pretty much a guess because I haven't had a true deadlift max. So I hope you enjoy this short video, and I will be uploading this kind of content, and the quality of this content will surely get much better as I learn to put videos together in a more professional and viewer-friendly way. So please comment your feedback, please like and subscribe, and click subscribe if you want to. Or the bell, I should say, if you want to always see when I upload, and I'll catch you later.